Evening all. It's late. Yeah. And we're gonna try and cook us some toast and gravy. Pioneer since 1851. That was a while back, wasn't it? Country sausage flavored gravy mix. What we gotta do? Well, if I can get my close-up glasses on, we bring 1.5 cups of water to a full boiling boil. Then we blend the sausage gravy mix with 1/2 cup of cold water. Mix until lumps are fine. And then we pour that gravy mix into that boiling water. And then we put all that on top of toast. I love gravy and toast. Come on, let's see if we can get this going. Here we're going to pour 1.5 cups of water into that pot right there. We'll get that to going. Go, fire up. Fire up now. That'll get me a fire started. Now we let that water boil. And while that's sitting there boiling, we'll mix up the country sausage flavor gravy mix into a bowl. Alright, now while that water's over there boiling, let's cut this pack of gravy mix open. Come on, get open. Oh! Did we not cut it down far enough? Apparently not. There we go. Get all that mix out of there. Pour 1/2 cup of water down in there. Mix all that up really good. Get all that off there. Get that mix down in there really good. That's good right there. Now, our water over here is boiling really good. And we're going to pour that down into that boiling water. Here we go. Let's get all that out of there. Get all that out of there. Don't want to waste none of that food. Sure, yeah. Now, we bring this up to a good boil till it thickens, and then we turn the heat off. After this, we got to go over there and make us a few slices of toast to pour this gravy down on top of. Oh yeah. Let's get her knife out of there. Set all that down in that sink over there. And we'll wash up the dishes here in a little bit. Yeah, that's gonna be some good toasted gravy. Had y'all ever had toasted gravy? We got to have the toasted gravy down here. Us southern folks. If we ain't got biscuits and gravy or toast and gravy or something like that, if we ain't got that, something ain't right. There we go. Oh, look how good that looks. I think we're about done with this right here. I gotta get some bread over there in that toaster. Otherwise, we ain't gonna have no toast. I think that's good enough right there for the gravy. Let's get the toast going. Now we got our toast. Let's put the gravy down on top of that. Oh, it's gonna be good. It's gonna be good. I'm gonna make me a couple of more slices of toast, because that ain't enough gravy on top of that toast. Let me go over here and cook some more toast, but look how nice that looks. That's some good, good gravy and toast. Okay, all right, let's go eat. Before long, we gotta get up and go back to work.